How's everybody doing on this beautiful New York morning? How are you guys? What's happening? Let's start the show, shall we? All right. First of all, thank you for the subscription, Daniel King. Welcome. And Maddie, welcome. Good to see you back. And lick it in the flesh. Guess what? I might get $67 tomorrow. Let's go, man. And Mihail's walking into the building. What's happening, man? All right. You guys remember in London session we talked about this 179, I think. Well, I couldn't hold myself back, so I took the trade. So I am in the trade on, where is this? On the TRADEDAY account, I guess. One of those accounts. But anyway, I took the trade. So I'm kind of hoping that we can succeed only on 2 accounts this time. I was also trading after the stream a little bit. Actually, not directly after, but during the New York AM session, so it was really good. And so yeah, I got a better entry on the TRADEDAY account on this one, but I'm having the same position on TPT as well. My short on crude oil paid off. Let's go, Mihails. That's a good job, man. Excellent job. Excellent job. Let's see. Hold on a second. Okay, so my TP. Yeah, all right. So my TP is 72.75. Yeah. Just want to make sure everything checks out. Okay. We'll see if we can get there or not. Oh, come on. Let's switch to the 5-minute time frame here. All right, we got this. So otherwise, let's check on the market. What is happening on gold? As we expected, we went through Asia high and that buy side liquidity level, but the thing is, the only thing we have on gold is that 4,400, which I think it's going to take it, by the way. On the hourly, nothing. Relative equal highs at 391. That's what I'm thinking of on gold, and that's it. There's a demand zone low at 4229.7. I'm gonna be watching that too. I'd love to see NQ completely break that 179, also because that's a 1-hour supply zone high and we have a 1-hour fair value gap at 195 and the textbook supply zone up there at 293. I don't know if we can get up there today, but it's like 161, so why not? It's within reasonable reach. We're seeing a pullback here. Nevertheless, I think it should be going through. That is it. If it's not going to go through, I'm perfectly okay with that. In that case, hold on. In that case, I'm going to be looking to get back down into that 15-minute demand zone. That's it. That's the plan. Nothing super special about this. Super simple. The plan is like so simple, it couldn't really get any more simple than this. It's the simplest plan you can have out there. So we're just waiting. Having some coffee. That's what we do. Of course. I left the remote back there. So this is what we have. How's everybody doing? How are you guys doing? Bum, 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 bum. Okay, it's the waiting game. It's gonna be the waiting game. I can see that now. I'm actually thinking maybe if it would start to go higher, maybe I would add one more position on another take profit trader account, that just as a scalp maybe. What just happened? What happened? Did I get disconnected? Yeah, I got disconnected, it seems like. Yeah. I got disconnected. Awesome. Oh, so great. Project X connection is lost. All right. I guess that's normal, right? Just before market open, we are having Project X connection issue. Maddie, everything's fine. Finish trading before the morning chaos, yeah. Well, it seems like we're having some Project X things going on. So awesome. Okay, let's just wait. Let's be patient. Still 14 minutes until the market open. I'm leaning bullish. So. Okay, we got the connection back. Maybe not. That's very bad. All right. Super awesome. Yeah, it seems like Project X is failing huge time today. It's a good thing I'm only having one trade on Project X right now. Hopefully they will fix it. Okay, connection lost. Great. Anyway, that does not gonna hold us back to make a bit of an extra profit if we can. I mean, I have my stop loss and take profit there. So I'm kind of just waiting. We love Project X. All right, it's going. I'm kind of thinking to scalp this one. Maybe it wants to go through. Who knows? Bit of a chaos here with Project X anyway. 2 trades running both at break even stage. Oh, that's good. Well, that's good. Once at break even, it's fine. That is actually good. Still have 10 minutes until market open. Yeah, Project X is not connecting. What a shame. What a shame. Anyway, this is the plan for now. So we're just gonna stay put and wait. I mean, at least the trade is going to profit. But I sure hope that I have my trade properly set up on trade day as well. I mean, it's not trade day's fault, by the way. Just saying, or TRADEIFY's fault. It's Project X thing, which is basically Top Steps thing. So Project X is owned by Top Step, well, particularly Michael Patek, so it's their fault. Just saying. I'm gonna log in, try to log into the web server, but I don't think it's working. I don't even know how to log in. Tudor, welcome. How's it going? Welcome, welcome. Let me know if anyone has connection on Project X. It's kind of annoying. All right. Boring day at work. Well, it's kind of happens. Okay. Let's try to log in here. Can I sign in on the web platform to Project X? Randall, welcome. I don't trust these highs, but I won't fight them. Yeah, I don't trust these highs as well, but I kind of like the level. I don't know. Yeah, we might see that. Okay. Project X is down. Nawab, welcome. What's happening, man? Well, it seems like this trade just, you know, it doesn't want to work out properly. And Project X is not working. Awesome. Doing great, thank you. I have a small trade on. The thing is, I have this trade on a TRADEDAY account too, but it seems like it's not really working out too well right now. Oh yeah, here it is. So I have the same trade on a TRADEDAY account as well, but Project X is just not connecting. I guess we'll see. Back to break even. Well, it could go down, but it's just a small position, so it's fine. Not just TOMSABO, Randall, every Project X platform. TOMSABO X is basically Project X, so it's down at TRADEDAY, TRADEIFY, all across the board. Project X is down. Unable to connect, and I have put on a trade earlier, so... I have an open position, which is awesome. I just can't reconnect. Super great. The problem is, if that trade's hit the stop loss, that's awesome, but my limit order to take profit is going to be still there at 172. So if it takes my stop loss, okay, but what if it turns around and enters into a sell position at 172? So I would be a little bit happier if they would fix it. Anyway, here's the market open in about 30 seconds. Martin, welcome. You're on shorts? Don't worry, I think the shorts are gonna play out. Actually, I have a plan to go short as well. Don't worry. Not able to open a new window. Oh, I see. Ah. No, this is a 1 minute chart. 1 minute chart, trader only. All right, let's see how it goes. Here's the market open right now. Get ready, the market is open for business. I think it could go down. I have a plan to go short, actually. If it would break my stop loss, I have a nice level down there, a little bit above 25k. So I'm just gonna be waiting. This is all good, but if it takes my TP, what's gonna happen with my TRADEDAY account? Anyway. Come on, man. Almost took my TP there. I don't know why. There you go. So I guess the TP on TRADEDAY also got taken, but the problem again, I have now an open order, a sell stop at 25k. So I want to, how can I, is there a possibility to flat my positions there? I guess there might be. Yeah, this was a nice TP. So we destroyed the supply zone high, and we have a 1 hour fair value gap higher. And this here up there, I'm not saying we're going there, but this this up here is the perfect textbook 1 hour supply zone. It doesn't really get any better than this. This is the perfect 1 hour supply zone. But again, it's also close to all-time high, so I'm not sure what's gonna happen there. It could reject. If a platform is down, no one can take it off, take profit. Yeah. Okay. So is there a way to connect? Oh my God. Oh my God. Why is it so loud? All right. I'm trying to get someone from support. I remember your longs, Martin. Nice. I hope you held them. I hope you did. Ah, nice. Gold chart, let me check. Yeah, I saw the gold chart. It went through nicely. Feel like it could also go to the relative equal highs up there, you know. For now, I'm gonna wait on NQ of what's gonna happen. We just tapped into that 1 hour fair value gap, so let's just go back here. The 1 hour supply zone has been completely destroyed, so it's over. This zone is over. It's not relevant anymore. Are we going to see a reversal? I would love to see a reversal, by the way, or a nice continuation into this textbook 1 hour supply zone, or we're gonna dip down into that demand zone. That's the question. Hmm? I'm sorry, that's the chat. It's not my platform. I'm trying to chat with support at TRADEDAY. I'm sorry. I don't know. Can I get the? I'm sorry about the noise. I'm trying to get the sound up somehow. I know it's bothering. Kind of a stupid noise. Let me know if anyone is able to log back in. Super Mario, yeah. I wish. Trading Star, what's up? No, I'm trying to so here's what I'm trying to do, right? This is support right here at TRADEDAY. Obviously, it's down. Oh, great. So, but can you somehow delete my orders? If my order gets triggered, it might blow up my account. Maybe I misspelled it. I don't care. So that's what I'm trying to do. It's not, again, this is not TRADEDAY's fault. This is Project X issue. TRADEDAY is solid, just like the other props, but Project X right now is having an issue. So this is what I'm fighting here, sorta. All right, maybe they will fix it somehow. Oh, they can't. Olivia, why? Olivia, why? No. Okay. Okay, then. I'm just gonna have a glass of wine. Yeah, it's not your fault. You are nice. Oh, there you go. Olivia is saying they should probably give people free resets after this. Yeah, maybe. Let's hope. Let's hope. But you know what? You were very nice. I wish you a great day. Okay. So Olivia, she tried to help us, you know, but that's all. That's what we can do. Jeff Bezos. Yeah. So that's... Top step is gone again. Yeah, it's Project X. All right, Olivia, maybe she took it on herself. She's not answering. I don't know. I think she drinks. I'm drunk. She drinks. She thinks I'm drunk. I think she definitely thinks. No, she's typing. She's typing. You too. Thank you. No, let's send her a wink. Where's the? There's the wink. Haha. Yeah, you know. Always gotta be nice to the ladies. She tried to help, you know. Obviously, we're gonna give her 5-star. Thank you for your feedback. Of course. How would you rate or your experience? I don't know. I don't. Okay, so that's it for trade day. They can't do anything. All we can do is pray and hope. Ugh. But hey, at least we got a nice trade out of this, right? So that's not that bad, eventually. But I made back the loss on those funded accounts on the Apex account. So again, it's almost getting closer to the second payout. Another 2,500 on these accounts, so that's good. All of these are back to profit. Amelia, 1.2k on gold, 700 on NQ. Wow. Amelia, I need to give you an applause right here, right now. That's an amazing result. Amazing. Congratulations there. And yeah, I agree, by the way. So this is it. You've done everything you could. You need to walk away. This is exactly the time to walk away. And by the way, can you guys please push the like button? And also, as I'm talking, I must say that, so you guys are here now in the New York session. From next week, there's going to be a schedule change because I'm going to be, my schedule at MyFunded TV is changing from next week. So next week, I'm going to be starting the show at MyFunded TV at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard. So I'm going to be there until 10 a.m., which means on this channel, my channel, as soon as I finish my segment there with Nick at 10 a.m., I'm going to switch here to my channel, and we're going to continue to trade until, I don't know, and it may be until lunch hour, who knows, or 11 or 11:30, who knows, but at least an hour or 90 minutes. So we're going to continue here. Just saying, like, don't be surprised if I'm not here at 9:30 next week. I'll be here around 10, a few minutes after 10, most likely. I'll be here. It is what it is. I like it, no issue, but that's what we're doing. But until, I mean, we're just still gonna look for some possible entries. It seems like to me, by the way, and correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it's gonna go higher. It's just gonna go higher. It definitely seemed like it wants to go higher, which is good in a way. Let's see if we want to get up there. 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. This could still be a good trade. Look at that. With one single micro. Haha. Not a bad idea, right? Not a bad idea. Ba-dum. Ba-dum. What if? Let's see. I took a long position, just a small one, just to see how things are going. Only 3 micros. The reason is because if I can win this position, I can actually pass the evaluation account at MyFundedFutures. So why not? If not, I'm still good. Yeah, I'm still good. I'm just risking some profits here. So that's kind of good. It's a negative risk to reward ratio trade, but only because all I need is 279.75 to get that TP. So don't be surprised on the risk to reward ratio, all right? This is intentionally made like this. This is to have fun. So it's a negative risk to reward ratio trade. It's all good. Let's see if we can get it. Let's see if we can pass this account. Can we pass this? All I need is $410 on this one. 410. All right. Let's see if we can pass this. It's just an eval. No strings attached. If I lose this one, it's awesome. No problem. I'm almost out of coffee. By the way, DayTraders has a 90% off sale, just saying, on trailing evaluation accounts, and 35% off on straight to funded accounts. Totally forgot. I don't know for how long. I'm gonna have to check it. Where's DayTraders? I know I had it somewhere here. Do they have a Discord? Oh, here it is. No. DayTraders. Not yet. All right, never mind. What just happened? Playlist just ended, or what? No, it did not. Chair is squeaking, but that's normal. All right. We just need a little bit of a push here, nothing more. Ba-da-dum. I wonder what Top Step can do about this. Bum, 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 ba-dum. Bum, 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 ba-dum. Yeah, outages making trouble with some trading platform. Yeah, every Project X platform. Oh no, the trade. Yeah, every Project X platform is affected. It seems like it. Not much is possible to do at this point. So you're done for this month? Nice. Yeah, let's sit back and relax. I'm actually also doing really great for the month. That's why I thought, like, I'm gonna have this one just for fun. Can you do me a favor, please? Yeah, sure. I sent you a code. Can you check if it works on trade day? Sure. Sure. On trade day. Okay. Oh, I see your message. All right. Okay. Let's see. Dun, 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 dun. Is there a sale going on at Trade Day, by the way? Trade Day shop. Let's go to Trade Day shop. Add subscription. I'm gonna choose intraday because I do care, but I'm okay with that. Add subscription. Okay, we're just gonna use the code NOFEE30. No, I'm joking. Trade day. Okay, I'm gonna use Trade Day X. Submit. Cool. It's working. It's working, man. It's fine. It's perfect. It works perfectly. Actually, hold on. How much is that? I might purchase one. Let me see. I don't know if I have enough money on my card. I have to check if I have a debit card dedicated to evaluation accounts. I'm only buying evaluation accounts with that. Okay, I don't have enough money on it. Next time then. Absolutely, Trading Star. We need the best picture that you have. It is not related to the telecom. Oh yeah. So you need a picture of me. Okay. I'm gonna get a picture for you guys. Absolutely. I actually talked about this with Methodical Man, because it seems like we're not gonna be in the same session next week. So just to make sure everything goes smoothly, I'm gonna have a picture from him here to my left, just to make sure that, you know, we can still stream together. Yeah, I think this place would be fine here, just to my right. Is he doing that thing? I'm gonna check on him. What's he doing? We're gonna have a joint session on My Funded TV with Methodical Man today and tomorrow. What's he doing? He's there.
Where can I find the original IFEG explanation video from ICT? I can't find it anywhere. That's because that shit was like buried in that 2022 mentorship, and he deleted some of those videos because he's doing new stuff. So I don't know where the original one is, but
Methodical Man is talking about ICT
IFEG's
stuff.
kind of been getting cooked a little bit, not recently, but like at the beginning of the year.
Yeah, sure. Okay. Okay. Any issues with Quantower? No. Project X is having an issue, like the connection. It's not Quantower, and obviously it's not about the prop firm, but it seems like I'm not able to connect to my Project X accounts right now. So, you know, kind of interesting. It's not connecting still. But it's Project X issue. Oh, intraday locked out. Wow. With 250. What? That was a roller coaster, man. That was definitely a roller coaster. You can consider yourself lucky that you survived it. Now I don't know if I'm going to survive this trade, but I was expecting a little bit more momentum to the upside. But you know, it is what it is. Ba-da-dum. Ba-da-dum. Yeah, that was a lucky thing you have there. What is going on with price right now? I don't know. I mean, the silver bullet hour just started, so still a lot to go. Still a lot to go. Dun, 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 dun. Hmm. Come on, push it up to the 80s. We need this. Ba-da-dum. Yeah, the lights are a little bit crazy here. Don't worry, I'll make it more crazier. Dun, 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 dun. Ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum. Bum, 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 bum. Alcy, welcome. How's it going? How's it going, Alcy? Good to see you. Heard Putin and Trump. Oh yeah. Philkos, good to see you, man. The beast from the east. They are having a meeting here. So our prime minister is swimming in fame once again. By the way, in October 23, we're gonna have our national holiday here in Hungary. That's actually kind of like a well, how should I put this in English? I have to use the Google Translate. Yeah, so revolution, I thought. So it's going to be the yearly, I mean, this is going to be the anniversary of the revolution that was in Hungary, 1956. That was a big revolution here on October 23, 1956. And a lot of people are going to be, you know, marching in the capital in Budapest. It's going to be a real party. Hey Camilla, szia! Láttam az üzenetedet. ne haragudj, hogy nem válaszoltam. Annyi üzenetem volt, hogy tényleg elfelejtettem válaszolni, de van valami, amit majd írni akarok, meg majd beszéljünk is. Van egy-két ötletem neked, amivel szerintem, na mindegy, majd meglátod. Egy-két jó ötlet neked. Kifejezetten neked van egy-két jó ötletem, amivel el tudsz indulni. Hát már elindultál, de ami segít. Got revolution in my blood. Oh, there you go. Yeah, Lajos Kossuth. Yeah, exactly. Our hero. Well, we have some big names in our history. Hogy vagy, Kamilla? Hogy vannak a napjaid? Mi újság veled? Hát gondoltam amúgy is, hogy rád írok. Megelőztél. This is Hungarian speech, you know, guys. You know, this is it. This is what we're doing. All right, doing great, nice. So again, I'm saying this to everybody. There's going to be a schedule change at MyFunded TV from next week. I'm going to start the show at 9 a.m. I'm going to be starting the show at 9 a.m. at MyFunded TV until 10 a.m. We're going to do the show with Nick. So it is what it is. No problem. And so the 11:30 session is going to be taken away. So from 9 to 10 is going to be me and Nick. From 10 to 11 is going to be Terry and Ash. And from 11 to 12 is going to be Methodical. It's going to be Methodical Man and Barbie. And from 12 is going to be Matt and someone who I can't mention yet. But everybody's going to have a co-host from next week. Every session, it seems like. Just letting you guys know. So if you don't see here, you like the new schedule, all right. So if you guys don't see me here on my channel, don't worry, I'll be here. But as soon as I finish at MyFunded TV at 10 a.m., I'm gonna be switching to my channel here, and we're gonna continue to trade until, I don't know, 11:30 at least. So I'm gonna be here at least another hour or 90 minutes just to see how the market moves. But again, just to let you guys know, me and Nick are gonna start the show from next week every morning. We'll see. Ja igen, mert mégy dolgozni, és csak minket tudsz megnézni. Azt hiszem. No, not yet, Jonathan, from next week. Next week. Nem csak. Akkor elfelejtettem. From next week, next Monday. That's gonna be the new schedule. So everybody will have a co-host. Every session is gonna have a co-host. Jobban tetszik a mi hangunk. Hát gyakrabban kell itt lenned, és akkor érted, az én hangom az mindig itt van. Csak hülyéskedek. Sorry. It's like assisted care with, yeah, assisted care, but with trading, something like that, Phil, because exactly. This is not advertising. Yeah. So they allowed. It seems like, Jonathan, I think I can say that now. So Methodical Man is going to be a permanent host. It seems like it, and I'm super happy. He's awesome. I like Methodical Man. He's cool. He's you know, we have a history together, me and Methodical Man. So I'm very happy for him. Today and tomorrow we are going to have a joint session with Methodical Man. So at 11:30 today and 11:30 tomorrow, we're going to have a joint session, by the way, just for fun, with Methodical Man. So this week is going to be a little bit upside down, but we're having fun. And next week the new schedule starts. We have a joint during session. Exactly, Philkos. Thank you for correcting me. Yeah. Reminds me of that scene from Anchorman 2. I love that movie, Anchorman, the first and the second one too. In Anchorman 2, when the news anchors, they were using crack live on news television, like, oh, what is this? Oh, this is crack. All right, let's try it. Something like that. It's refreshing. Smoke, guys, I gotta show you guys a clip. If you guys don't mind, we're still here on my channel. We can have some fun. I want to show you guys a clip from that movie. It always makes me laugh. Yeah, we're gonna have a Methodical Man stream. Actually, let me show you that. That clip actually makes me laugh all the time. If it's on YouTube, Anchorman 2 crack smoking scene. Oh, it's here. It's here. Okay. I try to be as short as possible. I mean, not for too long, because YouTube doesn't like sharing visual content from other creators. But this is so funny. I just can't stop laughing at this. So you guys will love it. This is something we could do. You know.
Brian Fantana on why everyone who is someone is lining up to smoke crack. Now, Brian, I understand we have some crack, and we're going to smoke it right here in the studio. I don't know if you can get a shot of that.
What is that? Did you know they were going to have that?
Get in there, Jim. No. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to put your rock in.
Look at the guy. Look at him. Don't smoke crack. Look at the sign. It's bad. Don't smoke crack. Bad. This is so funny. I just couldn't laugh enough. I mean, look at this face here. I think that the most funniest part in this scene is this guy. Don't smoke crack. It's bad. Now let's look at this again.
Lining up to smoke crack. Now, Brian, I understand we have some crack, and we're going to smoke it right here in the studio. I don't know if you can get a shot of that.
What is that? Did you know they were going to have that?
Get in there, Jim. No. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to put your rock in the pipe. Is that where the phrase "put it in your pipe and smoke it" comes from? I don't care.
I love it when you do cooking segments.
Cooking segments.
Oh, whoa! You feel that right away? Wow, that's good. That's good. That's an immediate state of euphoria.
You'll be surprised the effect. It happens very quick.
They're actually enjoying it.
Of course they're enjoying it.
It's just refreshing.
Crack.
It's just refreshing. Oh, we didn't say that anyway. Anyway, I love this. I think it's such an amazing scene. And the funniest part, that guy showing the sign, don't smoke crack. It's bad. Oh my God. Anyway, we're having fun, you know. Like nobody would have guessed. Well, Project X is still down. No, you won't. Crazy sell at 1050. You know what? I think so too. I think so. It can happen, and that is why I'm not really happy holding this position any longer. I think it's just getting weaker and weaker. It just can't push it through. If it starts to sell off, we're gonna go down to 25k. No troll. We're gonna drop 200 points in 3 minutes. That was awesome. Nice. Darwin X0? No, I never. Move my stop to break even. Yeah, maybe that's what I should do. Yeah, I moved it to break even, guys. Let fate decide for us, all right? Yeah, it is what it is. I wanted to see this, you know, push it up there to those 280s, but, you know, I think it's going to sell off. I have a very strong conviction that it's going to sell off. And if it's going to sell off, it's going to go down to 25k. That's what I think. It's just super weak. I was expecting a strong move to that supply zone up there. It will go through, pick up liquidity from this fair value gap at least below 176. So, you know, what can we do? Nothing. Yeah, it's gonna go down. It's very weak. If I zoom in, it's more stressful. I told you guys. Let's zoom in. It's gonna be much more stressful like this. Look at these big candles. Look at the high volume here. Gold indicator gave you entry a massive. Oh, no, it did not. No, it did not. I wasn't even looking at that indicators nowadays. You're aiming for 25k. Yeah, I think it will go down there. So that's why, like, just letting this go. Most likely it's gonna go down. At least we have some action here. Today I did very good, by the way. I'm very happy about today's results. Absolutely amazing day. So I'm completely fine. Ready for more payouts. I mean, today was really good. And this doesn't matter. Jack, what's up? Yeah, now this should flush down. Here comes the flush. Look at it. If it's gonna flush, it will go immediately down to 178. I would be surprised if this one would skyrocket. I don't think it will. I would be very surprised if this one would skyrocket now. When did I traded? You mean in London session? London session, we did a great trade on gold. There was a small loss, but I traded also after London session, actually early New York session. So Apex accounts are ready for another payout, almost. Bulenox accounts, another 3k secured. Oh yeah. So I traded at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard, off stream. Maybe I should put it on stream. I don't know, but yeah. So I had a tiny loss in the London session, not a big deal, and then I recovered it, and then I made more. And the gold trade, I was shorting gold in London session. That was good too. And I don't even know what was the trade. I know I was long. I was actually long, but I took some early profit. I don't know. Spinach, I think it's gonna flush down to 178. Look at this. Just a second there. Just a second there. So 178 right there. Actually 178. I'm still surprised how this trade is still alive. I don't know. But my original analysis was that we have that textbook supply zone up there. Now, my TP is at 179.75 because this is only an evaluation account. All right. So this is just an evaluation account before anybody would grab their hat. If this would be a funded account, I would have taken partial with 3 micros up here and move. I would have moved my stop if I see that the market is going like this. So this is an eval, and all I need to pass the account is 79.75. That's it. It's a scale account. By the way, Trading Star, are you here? Can you hear me? Can you still hear me? Let me know. If not, don't worry, I will text you. What is going on? What the heck is going on with this? Going for 400. Let's go. Este hívhatsz, beszélhetünk ma este is, az neked déltől van, tehát ilyen dél, 1 óra. Én fent vagyok, tehát hívhatsz 2-3 órakor is, az nekem 10 óra, éjfél, tök mindegy, mert fent leszek biztos éjfélig, tuti. Úgyhogy beszélhetünk nyugodtan. Ha nem veszem fel, visszahívlak. Ennyi, semmi extra. Tom, your long is good. Let's see. Well, I'm kind of curious. Again, all I need is 79.75. Szívesen. Yeah, TOMSABO is having some issues again. Project X all over the board. I mean, every prop firm. So again, this is not the prop firm's fault directly, but they are having issues. Yes. Project X accounts are having trouble. I tried to connect to TRADEDAY and TRADEIFY because I have Project X accounts there. It seems like Quanta was able to connect in the London session, but now, you know, it's just not working. You do paper trading. Let's go. On your eval. Let's see how it goes. I'm surprised like the price was able to manage up until this point. Köszi means like kind of like thanks in Hungarian. It's like thanks. That was your... Come on, man. That's like the short version of like thanks in Hungarian. Come on, let's see if we can pass this account. Everybody, come on. Let's push it. Do we need the pump song here? Pump it, baby. We need to get to the 80s. Pump it. All right. Ah, yeah, Bob, you were right. You were right. So, look at this. We passed the account. Woohoo! We passed the new MyFundedFutures scale account just right now with this trade. I made today $592 on this. So anyway, we passed the account. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. With micros. With micros again. Like, you can make $500-600 trading micros on one account. Like, you know, obviously it was not just this trade alone. I traded this earlier today, but another scale account. Let's see. Do I get the email? Oh ho ho. Congratulations on passing. I just got this. Already got the email. Okay, I just got an email from TRADEDAY that there's a problem with the AWS servers, and they're going to update. Oh, it's Olivia. Olivia, look at that. She's so kind. Olivia answered me. Look at that. You know why? Because we said she's nice. She's a support specialist. And it's all because we said she's nice. Okay, let's close this. So, we're getting closer to that 1 hour supply zone, which is awesome. What else? How many days it took to pass, and max how much micros? Actually, I can check it for you here. Stats page. One thing I gotta add to this. I wasn't trading like, or was I, every single trade? It took me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trading days. But I was trading with micros. So I have one day here. I don't know how it happened, but I have a day where I had 13 trades, but those were micros. So let me show you. Let me just show you. All right. Let me show you this. I'll try to update the stats. All right. Okay, I think it's updated already. Let me see. Hold on. So here's the stat page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 trading days, sorry. 7 trading days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trading days, including today. I don't know why I have 13 trades here, but win ratio here 62.96%, profit factor 1.58. I don't know if that's good or not. Best trade $810. Worst trade $542. Something not right here. Average loss 222. Oh yeah, because I had some scalp trades. You know why? That's why I had some heavier scalp trades. That's why. But anyway, that's it. Best day was last Friday. Yeah, it was. I'm just, guys, I'm just looking for the zones. That's all I'm doing. That is all I'm doing. I'm forcing myself to don't risk more than 2 micro. That is actually very good. That's a very good plan. I like that. I like that plan. And by the way, I'm trying to simplify my strategy also as much as possible. Like, I have my levels on the chart, and once I see the move happening, all I need is a pullback or retracement into a fair value gap, and boom, that's it. That once I obviously I need to have a positive risk to reward ratio, and that's it. That's all I do, nothing more. But I'm telling you, we are so close to that 293. I don't know. It should be tagging that level. It has not been mitigated yet. Yeah, and the next thing, yeah, so you have to wait for your setup to happen. So you have to wait for it. Wait for the setup, and it's gonna be awesome. Ugh. It's still not connecting to Project X. Interesting. Look at that, 78. It has a healthy 15 points in this move. Don't forget, today is the last day to have your 40% from TRADEIFY. Everything below 150k is 40% off at TRADEIFY. I think it's a good deal. And yeah, FundingTicks network also has a sale. I gotta check some others because I haven't checked what the current sales are. Oh, we have a 75% on Buley. All right, so we have a 75% sale going on at Bulenox. It's better than nothing. Let me check if Apex has something. Apex, nothing. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Okay, 75. Alicia, what's up? Disciplined trader. What's happening? How's it going, man? How's it going? I didn't see you there. I'm sorry. USDX going low. I haven't checked that. What's the dollar index doing? Oh yeah, it's tanking. Gold is still holding that area. ES wants to push it higher. ES also wants to go up there. Yeah, NQ will tap into the zone, I think. NQ will tap into that zone. At work. I see. I see. Bum, 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 bum. All right, let's see what is going on. Oh, also option 2 accounts. I just realized 75% off option 1 and option 2 accounts. So end of day trailing accounts are also on a sale. That's good. That's actually good. Okay. Here we go. 93. Here it comes. It touched the 93? Oh, sorry. I meant 97. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't know why I said 93. One contract. Let's see. Yeah. No, it was not. Let's see. 97.50. Sorry, but yeah. So we're at the zone right now. We are at the zone. Oh no. But anyway, let's see the zone on the mini. Okay. Opening of the candle here is 97.50. High of this candle is 97.50. Okay. The mini has touched the zone. Okay, so the mini actually tagged the zone. So it's technically being tagged. It would be dangerous to enter now into a long just to go deeper into the zone. Not even on this pullback to this fair value gap. Be careful. Okay, there could be a reaction here, like sweeping all the way down to the 250s or 40s. Gotta be careful. Okay, now it's going. And there she go. Okay. Yeah. And of course, top step. Dude, Bob, I'm sorry. I know it's frustrating. I know it is. Yeah, exactly, Bob. Woke up late, profited the late night. Let's go, Suleiman. Wow. And it's still not connecting to Project X accounts. Kind of interesting. Man. I think this is it, everybody. I can't do anything else here. I think we're done. All right, so I'll be at My Funded TV shortly with Methodical Man, so it's gonna be fun. If you would like to support the channel, the drill is the usual. Please use my codes if you can, if you just consider it. The code is TOMSABO up there at all of these prop firms now with TRADEIFY, FundingTicks, Lucid Trading as well. And Apex, Bulenox is down 75% off again on the option 2 accounts too. FundingTickS network still has the buy one get one free. Thank you so much for the support. It definitely helps the channel, helps me to be here full time. So I appreciate that very much. Thank you so much. I'll be at My Funded TV in about 45 minutes. All right, so God bless you all. And see you guys on the flip side, and tomorrow as well. I mean, London and New York. Okay, so God bless you all.